Miss Crochet and Coffee here with my very first unboxing. And if you can see, it's from Diamond Art Club. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I said I had a secret unboxing today. I had been in contact with Diamond Art Club to do an unboxing. I wanted them to be my first unboxing. I did open the beginning of the box only because I already knew what to expect for the most part. So here we go. Came in this nice big box. Now, I've ordered from them before, and my first one didn't come in a box like this, so I was curious to see how exactly the bigger diamond paintings came. So I went ahead and ordered this one, and let's take a look. Now, this one was suggested to me. I didn't pick it out. It was suggested to me. So I said, okay, I'll do it. I absolutely love it. Came in a nice new box that they have now. On the back, it tells you the contents, and looks like it's in 3 different languages, and it tells you how to diamond paint, which is pretty cool for those who are just getting started. I wouldn't suggest going big for your first one. I'd suggest going for one of the free ones that they offer. Yes, they take a little bit more time to get to you, but you don't want to start off really big, get bored and tired with it, and then quit, and then have half a diamond painting just sitting around your house. So I would suggest going small, but since this is my 6th one, I decided to go a little bit bigger than normal. So this one is a 42 by 57. It is called Soul Keeper. I have never seen this design anywhere, okay? So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at the canvas. Have my handy dandy knife here. Don't ask me why it's in my room. Usually it's in my living room, but we're also not in my living room. So we're actually in my bedroom. So let's open her up and see what we got. Now, the special thing about this canvas, one, how cool is that box? Like, it's rainbow. And if you know me, I love rainbow. Everything I have is essentially rainbow. So already got cool points because of the rainbow box, and I was really hoping it would come in this box because my first one came in their original color box, which if you've gotten from them before, you know is blue, pink, and white. Alright, so the canvas, you have your tools, which, how cool is that? Because, like I said, the first time I ordered, I didn't get a cool little bag like this. So, like, that's really cool. And each kit you get for diamond painting will come in a set like this. Like, you'll get tools, your beads, and your canvas. And there are my beads. I'm going to show you what's special about this diamond painting in a few minutes. But first, let's take a look at this canvas, because I've been dying all week. I ordered this late Sunday night. There was a problem with transit. Now, they said it was because of the weather, like I said, but the problem with that is that I live on the West Coast. I live in North Dakota, and they're based out of Nevada, like Las Vegas. So it literally had to go straight up. It took it 5 days to get here, which is okay, because it's still within their range of time that they say that they're going to have it to you. So they only lose one little cool point for that, because partially that wasn't their fault. So let's have a look at this canvas. I'm not sure if I can get it all on camera, but, oh, what do we have here? This is something different. All right, so this is the canvas. Look at that lion. I hope I ordered it big enough to get the detail, and I'll give you a close-up of what it's supposed to look like here. That's what the lion is supposed to look like. And I love their canvases because they are velvet on the back. Like, I'm not exactly sure what the material is. Do you see that lion? How cool is that? Oh my God, I can't wait to get started on this, which I will probably be starting today. So at the top, they have the model number, the name Soul Keeper. It's a 42 by 57. And from the looks of it, it looks absolutely perfect. Like, I don't see any bubbles. I don't see anything that would prevent me from being able to do it. It's nice and clear. Like, I can read the symbols if I don't mess up the plastic first. Alright, let's get that back on there. Now, this is something that's new to me. So, what's special about this is these aren't normal diamonds. Like, these are the diamonds. And I will do inventory and all that fun jazz on camera later. The only reason why this video is getting put up so late, and I do apologize, is because my children are now home because my mail runs super late. So right now, it is 3:22 in the afternoon. My mail literally, like I literally got this box, and I had to chase the mailman down for it. I literally got my mail maybe 20, 30 minutes ago. So, what's so special about these beads? One, how cool is that? That, I'm going to guess, goes right there. I'm already in love with this canvas, like you have no idea. This canvas is available on their website. I paid $49.95. Like I said, it is a 42 by 57. So you're asking yourself, okay, Leisha, what is so special about this diamond painting? All right, so these aren't normal diamonds. From what I was told, these are the Aurora Borealis diamonds, which means, like, I'm not sure if you can see it, but they don't sparkle like the normal diamonds. They have, like, this resin on them that make them sparkle kind of like rainbow instead of, like, the regular white that shines from the diamonds. And I can see it here, and like I said, how could you not love that? Like, that is awesome. Like, that goes right there, dab in the center. I'm trying to see if I can... The other diamonds actually look normal, so I'm thinking maybe just the Aurora Borealis diamond is that middle one. I'm not sure. I'm sure as we go along with it, we will figure that out. I will actually be doing a how to diamond paint video on my channel on Monday. I'm trying to see what this paper is that they sent me here. 6 steps and instructions to diamond painting. So they send you this cool little They send you these cool little instructions on learning how to diamond paint and frame and hang your diamond painting. And it looks like it might be on both sides. So, you know, if you like reading, you can read it twice. All right, so those are my diamonds, okay? And it says it has 29 colors, which isn't bad. It's not bad. Like I said, I cannot wait to get started on this. I mean, customer service, let me tell you, I went through all kinds of, you know, I told you guys in my previous videos that I'm really impatient whenever it comes to waiting for something. And this should have been here 2 days ago. And actually, no, I lied. I'm sorry. Today's the 14th. This was supposed to arrive between 12th and the 13th, and it came today. So that's why I said it was a little bit late. I was getting a little impatient because I had already talked to them, and I was so excited to get it. I am so excited to get started on this one. This will be my first one that I do, how to diamond paint, because I've had a couple of my friends ask me, how exactly do you diamond paint? They're really interested in learning and seeing what it's all about. This is what it's all about. You get your canvas, you get your diamonds, which, what person doesn't love diamonds? You get this adorable little heart. Now, this is the wax. This is the first time I've gotten the heart-shaped wax. So I probably won't use that, to be honest with you. I'm probably going to put that somewhere. Like, my family loves little cute stuff like that. So I'll probably keep that. So in that little toolkit bag, you'll get Ziploc bags. Now, I keep these because a lot of the times I'll put the diamonds in the Ziploc bag. You get your tool, your pen, and they actually give you, like, the little grip for it, which is pretty cool because a lot of them don't come with the grip. So I have, like, 100 of them without the grip on it. So you get the grip. I'm going to need that because do you see all those spaces? Let's see. Is there any there is, number 4 is 310. And if you look at it here, number 4 is 310. It's the circle inside of a circle. So you see all those little dark spots like in the corner up there. That's 310. Luckily, it's not all 310. There's a lot of confetti, so that's something that'll keep me busy and keep me interested in going. But yeah. So their canvases, if you've never ordered from them, which they are based out of the U.S., so you'll get it a lot sooner than, say, like AliExpress or anything like that. But you'll go through that journey with me as well because I'm going to be ordering one from AliExpress here probably within the next couple of days. But if you've never gotten one from Diamond Art Club, I don't know if I can show it on here or not. I can see it a little bit in the camera. It sparkles. Not just the diamond painting, but the canvas itself. Like, how cool. You see that? Oh my God. Imagine this framed, okay? Because this will be my first one that I insist that my husband frames. So, there's the lion, and he has, I'm going to guess this is going to be the sun. He's got clouds underneath him. He has the aura around his head there, or the halo. Again, that's what it looks like. Now, the only thing about Diamond Art Club that I do not like is the fact that it doesn't come with a inventory sheet. I know that, but I do know they have like some of the best customer service. Now, I did get them, like I said, I've ordered from them before. I got it, it was my second diamond painting. I remember telling the story in one of my previous videos of how I felt like the lady got kind of snippy with me. Well, this time, when I approached them, I asked them, you know, did they have any suggestions for a decent sized diamond painting? And this is what they suggested. I'm glad they did. I absolutely love it. Like, I've been dying to show and tell this one on my channel. But I don't like the fact that they don't have an inventory sheet, but they will gladly send you out anything you're missing. That shouldn't stop you from doing inventory still. You should still always, no matter what company you get from, no matter what they say about trusting this, trusting that, we all know that you can trust them in one hand and, you know, you can be short. Everybody makes mistakes. So, you know, essentially I will get to the inventory of all this, but I have no doubts that it's all here. All the symbols are extremely clear. Let's see if you can see all those symbols. There we go. So the symbols are extremely clear. I'm not going to have any problem reading that. Like, this is going to be one of those projects that you guys will get to watch from beginning to end. It'll be the first one I do from beginning to end on my channel. I'm not sure when I'll be recording again. Like I said, I believe it'll be on Monday because of the weekend. I like to spend time with my family. But for me, Diamond Art Club gets 2 thumbs up. I absolutely love the canvas. I absolutely love the fact that it sparkles, the fact that the back of it is soft and like velvet. I love how clear the symbols are. I don't even mind the clear paper because I like being able to see what I have coming up next. A lot of the companies like Huracan, or if you get custom diamond paintings, they will come in like the Huracan paper. Like, if you've done diamond paintings, you know what the Huracan paper is. It's white and it says Huracan on it, or some of the other ones are like white with red letters. Either way, I like seeing what I have going next. So I don't mind the clear wrapper. A lot of people don't like it. I don't mind it. It's easy to cut, so I can easily cut it into strips, which is probably what I'll end up doing, so that you can do a section at a time. And I will probably get started on this, do a video for it on Monday, so you guys can see how far I've gotten since today, which is Friday. And I'll let you guys know how that goes. Again, thank you for stopping by and watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, so that I can tell that you like the unboxing videos and I can have a lot more of those coming your way. Please, again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Miss Tepper here is signing off. I am going to go and spend time with my family. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.